What's up, everybody? We're gonna take this Crooked Wood Trail. You don't know what that is, right? It's the Crooked Wood Trail. Haven't been on this trail in a bit, so I figured, why not, right? Why not? Access road's right there. Neighborhood's right behind us. See all them houses? See how close they are? How close they are. Alright. Let's see if we can't take a hike. See if we can't take a hike on the Crooked Wood Trail. See, there's a bunch of down trees. Isn't that a bitch? We're gonna have to find another way around. Alright. Isn't that a pain in the ass? And we'll go this way. And it's the sky. Hey, there's the trail. Back on the Crooked Wood Trail. That's why it's the Crooked Wood Trail. And look, there's a tent. See the tent? See what that's about. But let's go find these bird carvings. One over here. There's one. There's one. There's many other bird carvings. So yeah, this guy Roland, he made this whole trail. Isn't that pretty cool? It's over there in a holly bush. So gotta be careful. You get, stabbed with a little holly bush sticker. There's another one. It's a tiny one compared to the last one we just saw. Yep, another bird carving. Like I said, he made this whole trail, so you just step right over there. It's a shame. We've got some homeless people back here, but they are homeless to begin with. Hey, it's another holly tree. Look, the trash is everywhere. Trash is everywhere. This trail used to be very beautiful. And now it's just right on the trail too. Well, we're not here to see the homeless camp. Didn't expect to see that shit, but look at that, it's fucking nuts. Jesus Christ. We're here to see the Crooked Wood Trail, damn it. Right here is a cool spot I like to sit and smoke. He carved that into the down tree that's here. Down tree. He turned it into a bench and put that saying in it. Beyond woodland's edge, daily life goes rushing on. What is here will be here still after we are gone. That is true, right? Amen to that. But there's another bird carving right here, actually, right next to the bench that he made. And there it is. Another bird carving. It's pretty cool how he took all that time to do this. Like I said, that dude's cool. He's making a bench right now out of Osage wood right down on the main trail. I got a video of it. But yeah, you can barely see it, right? But it's in there. Alright, let's go sit down on this bench and smoke a bowl. Let's burn. Might as well go tripod, right? What's up, people? Alright, we got the tripod set up. Trying to, at least. Alright, let's take this shit off, huh? Son of a gun. Ooh, look, it's got a little hanger there. Right. Gonna raise it up a bit. There we are. Alright, that's a bit better. What's up, people? There's still a little bit left in there. Finish that off. Take these headphones off now. Bucket hat style. There we go. Let's hang that up right there. Looks good. Taking a break on the Crooked Wood Trail. Smoke them if you got them, people. Yep. It's cashed. Like a fresh one, shall we? Whatever pocket I put it in. There we go. I put it in a little baggie, but it's you know, it's Miracle Alien Cookies. It's hard to see in the bag, but hey, it's in there. Oh, the bag just broke. Look at that shit. I'll have to figure that out. Straighten my leg out. There we go. A little bud in there. This bag is spent. Jeez. I got something to put it in. See how purple it is, right? Kinda. Yeah, it's not focusing, but it's purple as shit, people. Little nose itch. Oh yeah, the guy that made this trail wrote a book. I have that book. Here it is. Well, he's selling this book. They have it for sale at the Environmental Center at Pennypack Park up on Veree Road. Exploring Pennypack Park by Roland Williams. You can somehow reverse that and whatnot. You can read his little thingy on the back there. But yeah, this book is awesome. It's only $10. The Environmental Center on Veree Road. It's got all kinds of cool shit in here. All kinds of cool stuff. And I bought it off him personally. Right off the trail. Right back here in the park. I saw him making the bench. And he told me about the book. And I asked him, hey, can I buy one off you right now? And he's like, yeah, you got $10? He's like, you got $10? I was like, I sure do. Yeah. I so happened to have $10 in my pocket that day. Luckily. Yeah, I bought it. So he wrote a little thing. You know. To the stoned hiker. But yeah, this is an awesome book. Check it out. But in any event, let's put that away. Don't hurt your back, people. Oh, it sucks. Where this shit comes in handy. All right. Finish that off. Put this bag in my cigarette case. Hopefully it will not spill. And if it does, it'll be within the cigarette case. So hopefully it'll be retrievable if it does spill. I might as well put these away too. Sorry to curse. Psych. All right, all right, all right. All right, let's break his tripod down. It is now a selfie stick again. Hey, hey, hey. All right, there it goes. Better angle. Oh yeah, by the way, check out these pine trees. All right, isn't that cool? It's like, just look up. It's pretty cool. Of course, you hear the boulevard. It's right behind us. Cars. Boulevard's right there behind us. We're going to go look at 3 more bird carvings and another bench. So let's continue on down the trail. We didn't leave nothing, right? Nope, we're good. We're golden. So let's go down this way. Hey, look, another holly tree. There's the boulevard. There's a Pennypack maintenance building. There we go, there's another bird. It's another one. And there's 7 of them back here. How many I show you? So far what? 3? 4? 4. There's the other bench. Look, see, listen, hear. Nature's life is in its place. We're in this place. You know, beneath traffic's roar. Because we're right next to the Roosevelt Boulevard. And there's actually another bird right there. But it's fucking surrounded by thorn bushes. So I'm not about to go right up to it, you know what I mean? But it's in there. It's in there. Woo! That bull's creeping in now. Got like the creeper weed. Hell yeah. There's this thing. Hey, where's the thing? Yeah, it's over there. It probably just went right beneath the trees as I was doing this, right? Alright, let's try it again. Whatever. There it is. This is, you know, nature sees itself through our eyes. Take a look. Pretty neat. Yeah, he made that too. It's like playing a game. There it goes. Hey, what's up, people? He also made this little pond. Bunch of frogs in there. You know, in the spring. Got the spring peepers. Spring peepers! The trail goes around and around. There's another bird right here. Where's that one? Right? He just came back here and down some down trees and whatnot, and he made some bird carvings. Some hidden art back here in Pennypack Park. It's part of the spot where there's this many pine trees. Not many pine trees back here, but this spot there are. So this is the last bird. It's pretty cool. I want to hike up the trail a bit. So give me a like, give me a subscribe. Go check out my merch. Go buy a shirt. Go buy some shoes and boots. Got backpacks, all kinds of stuff. Go check out my shop. I got that link. Go click that link in my bio. I mean, go check that out. All right, people. Stay stoned. Sun's going down. It's getting dark soon.